Hi, I'm Tadao of Mada Skyru Day. Mada Skyru Day is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I just replaced a damper for the rear hatch door of 93 Jeep Cherokee camper. This is actually camper. I turned it into camper, but the rear hatch damper died, and the rear hatch actually, even if I open it, it fall down against you. It's a really dangerous situation. So I decided to replace both dampers. A little bit tricky job, but it's not really that hard. So I believe if you have the same situations, it's worth trying this by yourself. And it's really nice after repairing it. That just the rear hatch keep open up in the air, so it's really nice. So this is how it went. So this is the 93 Jeep Cherokee. The problem is this rear door hatch, the damper is dead. It's really dangerous. Like, yeah, it doesn't really hold at all. So I have to they stick some the rod so that it's wide open. I mean, kept open, and they remove the replace the damper. So actually, this is the replacement damper I purchased in Parts Geek, made in China. Hopefully this is gonna support. It may go broken soon. It's made in China, but this is probably the cheapest one, I think. But anyways, if you open the package, this guy has something like a ball joint kind of thing. So I think it's just a clip fit. But let's see how the original piece is fixed. So it's fixed open like this, and so this is the damper, and it looks like there's a pin kind of thing here. Yeah, so okay. So now it's pin is off. Okay. So this may come off. Okay, that's easy. Okay. So this guy also has a pin. Okay. And pull. And I guess here we go. That's not that difficult. They're gonna get a new one. So this is the new parts. It's different structure, and there is, I think this is the like a spring, and so this spring it goes like this and comes in here. So I think you're gonna kind of open this, or the pull back. I don't know how to. If I do this, it's part is a little bit open. So now I actually push the pin, I mean the ring, from this side, and actually this is half off. I think I'll try to push this guy in, to the ball and put back this ring. I think it's slipped on. Yeah. Now it's good. Oh. Looks like one dumper is really enough, but I'm gonna replace the other one too. This guy was actually fine. Interesting. That's why one was enough. I think I need to put the rod. So this side dumper is still alive. I'm gonna replace it anyways. Yeah, this side is really hard. By the way, this is the. I'm gonna show you later. The new one. Interesting. This is. One more time, I shifted the ring. Make sure to have the ring popped out, hopefully. Okay, now it's in, and now push back the ring. Here we go. Okay, same thing. This guy. I noticed the screwdriver is bent. I'm gonna find another tool. So I'm gonna use this opening plier and open the ring. So open the ring, and so that we have more gap, and I can use larger the screwdriver. This is the strategy. I think it's in now. Okay. So actually it's really spring is strong. So actually this is the original pin mechanism. So if you put this ball in here, you basically have, there is a hole here, and you put the pin like this, and this gonna clip onto the stem like this. So this is the mechanism, original mechanism. So they just it's just the one pin is holding that ball coming off. So this is the original design. Okay, now this guy is fixed. Nice. And it's open. Push up. So it's much better than falling down. So I struggled a little bit, but it's not really that bad, and it's kind of easy fix. And thank you very much for watching. Bye.